As per a recent report, Amber may soon headline her own project. Is it a rom-com? Well, no. As per the source, it will be an actioner, and below is all the details divulged about it.
Celebrated furiously reacting to Amber Heard not donating his $7 million to charity.
As reported by We Got This Covered, Giant Freakin' Robot recently shared that Amber Heard is attached to a film adaptation of the 2013 novel Fallen Angel. Written by Chuck Logan, the book follows Captain Jesse Craig, a gifted pilot who becomes the sole survivor of a helicopter crash. As her injuries leave her struggling to remember what happened, outside forces move against her in an effort to prevent Jesse from revealing the dark truth. They also described the project that could very well star Amber Heard as a taut action thriller. The outlet stated that Heard would see this adaptation as a huge opportunity to show off her acting talent and prove that she can make it as a solo star. If she does take this project, it would seem like she's looking to launch a new phase in her career. When Was said Heard often had 2 or 3 glasses of wine during an evening, Depp shot back 2 or 3 bottles. "That is complete nonsense, Mr. Depp," the lawyer said. Heard is attending the 3-week trial and is expected to give evidence. Hollywood actor Johnny Depp is making a desperate attempt to malign ex-wife, actress Amber Heard, by claiming that she did not donate the $7 million she received as part of their divorce settlement, said her lawyer. Recently, Depp's legal team claimed Heard hasn't donated the money from their divorce settlement to charities, as she promised she would in 2016. According to a new report, the actor's lawyers share that they intend to use the allegation for a new trial he is seeking against fellow tabloid The Sun over being labeled a wife-beater. Now, in a statement, Heard's attorney Elaine Bredehoft confirmed that the actress is yet to fulfill the $7 million pledge she made to Children's Hospital Los Angeles and the American Civil Liberties Union, as per media reports. Was then presented Depp with a text he sent after the flight to a friend. Actor Paul Bettany said he'd taken powders, half a bottle of whiskey, 1,000 Red Bull and vodkas, pills, 2 bottles of champagne on plane. The message said the result had been blackout, screaming, obscenities, and insulting any person who got near. "I may have done things that I have no memory of," Depp said, but he insisted, "I am certainly not a violent person, especially with women." Depp also denied assaulting Heard at her home in March 2013. Was alleged that Depp became enraged at a painting by Heard's former partner, artist Tasia Van Ree, that hung in Heard's bedroom. Depp acknowledged that he could be jealous, but denied Heard's claim that he took the painting off the wall, tried to set it on fire, and slapped Heard when she intervened. "I did not hit Miss Heard, and furthermore, I have never hit Miss Heard." The Pirates of the Caribbean star says Heard's claims that he assaulted her on multiple occasions are totally untrue. Depp, 57, and Heard, 34, met on the set of the 2011 comedy The Rum Diary and married in Los Angeles in February 2015. Heard, a model and actress, filed for divorce the following year and obtained a restraining order against Depp on the grounds of domestic abuse. The divorce was finalized in 2017. While neither Heard nor Depp is on trial, the case is a showdown between the former spouses who accuse each other of being controlling, violent, and deceitful during their tempestuous marriage. The newspaper's lawyer, Sasha Was, read the court an email to Depp that Heard had composed in 2013 but never sent, in which she called his behavior a full-on disco bloodbath. Said Depp, who wore a gray suit, blue shirt, and patterned tie for his second day in the witness box. He also denied hitting Heard in 2013 after she laughed at a tattoo he had that read "We Know Forever." He said he'd had it altered from Winona Forever after he split up with actress Winona Ryder years earlier. "I don't recall any argument about any of my tattoos," Depp said. Depp rejected every allegation of violence put to him by Was. "Hoax is probably the best word one could use because all of the allegations are patently untrue," Depp said. He claims Heard was the violent one, attacking him with items including a drink can and a cigarette, and severing his finger by throwing a vodka bottle at him. While these reports state that Amber Heard will be headlining the project, details such as which studio is developing or whether it's heading for a theatrical or streaming release are still unknown. We guess the project is still in the pre-production stage, and the hunt and the search is on for a suitable writer and director. We hope to get an official update soon. Johnny Depp denied an allegation by ex-wife Amber Heard that he is a Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde monster who turned violent when he drank and took drugs, though he acknowledged in a London court on Wednesday that he may have done things he can't remember while he was under the influence. Depp underwent a second day of cross-examination at the High Court by a lawyer for British tabloid The Sun, which is defending a libel claim after calling the Hollywood star a wife-beater. Depp is suing The Sun's publisher, News Group Newspapers, and its executive editor, Dan Wooton, over an April 2018 article that said he'd physically abused Heard. The court heard evidence of the couple's acrimonious relationship, including text messages between Depp and Bettany in which they joked about burning Heard because she was a witch. Messages from Heard to Depp's sister expressed worry that the actor was on a bender with another friend, rocker Marilyn Manson. Depp acknowledged referring to Heard as a lesbian camp counselor when she tried to control his drinking and drug taking. Asked about an incident in which he allegedly dangled Heard's Yorkshire Terrier, Pistol, out a car window, Depp said, "It is absolute, utter falsity. That is not my idea of fun, although my sense of humor is rather skewed," he said. He denied the lawyer's suggestion that his memory had been impaired by alcohol and drug use. Heard claims she tried to support Depp to become sober and never took cocaine during their relationship. But Depp claimed that Heard had many times chopped out lines of cocaine for him before rubbing some of the drug into her gums. "I just don't know if I can do this anymore," she wrote. "Is it like Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde? Half of you I love madly, and the other half scares me. Many times you have hurt me, physically and emotionally from the things you say and did while messed up," she wrote. Depp said the email was evidence that Miss Heard was building a dossier as an insurance policy for later. Depp has acknowledged heavy drinking and drug use, but said Heard's claims that drugs and alcohol made him a monster was delusional. The Sun's defense relies on Heard's allegations of 14 incidents of violence by Depp between 2013 and 2016, in locations including Los Angeles, Australia, Japan, the Bahamas, and a chartered jet. Wass asked Depp about a 2014 private plane flight from Boston to Los Angeles. Heard alleges the actor went into a rage during the flight, slapped her, and kicked her in the back because he believes that she was having an affair with actor James Franco. Depp denied assaulting Heard or being out of control on the plane.